Getting ready to upgrade the gas pedal cable, throttle cable. The ones that they give you at the Baxter Auto junk keep breaking. So anyway, I upgraded to like a dune buggy style cable, and I'll fish it through right now. See the thickness of the cable? It's almost like it's a little more than 1/8 inch in diameter. I figured I'm doing my new, I put a new clutch cable in as well, and see the end here? I'll do is I'll put a little bolt through the arm there, attach it to the gas pedal, and this is guaranteed not to break. You know what I mean? All right, out.